Imagine yourself in this Ram 2020 ProMaster City Wagon SLT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are popular equipment group included: heated front seats, heated passenger seat, heated driver seat, window group, 026 speakers, black metallic, heated front seats included, heated passenger seat, heated driver seat, quick order package 24B, Wagon SLT included, engine 2.4 Li4 multi-air transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, wheels, 16-inch x 6.5 inches steel with full covers, STD, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, black premium cloth bucket seats, engine, 2.4 Li4 multi-air, STD, and front-wheel drive. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available